Hey everyone, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can add effects to your text and blur certain images on Canva. Okay, so if you love to be seeing content like this on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like so that more people will get to see this video often from now henceforth. All right, so let me show you what I actually mean by how to add effect to your text and also blur images on Canva. Okay, so let me show you a particular design I have here. Okay, so you see this image here, we're just going to duplicate it and move it to this empty page we want to work on. All right, so I bring it here. Okay, then let's say I want to blur this image. Okay, if I want to blur this image, now this is what I'm going to do. I click on edit and I'm going to see this adjust here. So what I'm going to do now is to click on see all, so I get to see all the options. So you see this option for blur, I'm going to just blur it. So can you see now? So this is how you blur images on Canva. Okay, these are you blur images on Canva. So the next thing I want to show you is how to add effect to your text. So this text here, I'm just going to also duplicate and then bring it here. So I'll delete this. So this particular text you're seeing here, it was actually rotated, so I'll just bring it back to 0. All right, so I'm going to increase the size so you can see very well. Okay, so you can see the text now. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look for the effect option and then I'll click on effects. Then I'm going to see various options that I can work with. So can you see now? So this particular one gives you option. You can see the effect is given to this particular text now. You can see. So it all depends on how you want it. You can see now. So if you blur it, it will not be so sharp, just like that. So you can see now. So, and you can also get to change the color. Okay, so I can change it to green, red, blue, and whatever it is I like. Okay, so we also have other options here that you can see choose from. So if I say I want it on lift, so this particular lift is being used when you're using a different background other than white. That's where you get to see the fill color the more. So if I want to change this background now to something like let's say blue, okay, and then we're using this color. So when you use effect on it, when you use this lift effect on it, it's going to become more. That's when you can feel it the more. Can you see now? That's when you feel the effect the more. So now let's try other options here. You get to see the holo. See this holo here. You see these plies. You just try all of them and see the one that works best with you. Okay, so you still have other options. You can see this one also. You can see. So this is how this one works. All right, so we also have the glitch. The glitch has to do with different set of colors that you can choose from. Okay, and then you also get to see your direction, so you decide where you want your direction to come from. Okay, then we have, okay, so we have another option of effect I want to show to you, which is background. So if you are working particular text and you want to add background to the text, you know the manual method of doing it, you just bring a shape and then you put the text on top. No, Canva has made it easy that you can easily add background to your text. So you see the background here, just click on it and Canva is going to give you a background on your text. Then you see get options to edit how you want it to be. Do you want it to be so transparent? Do you want how do you want it to spread? You don't want it to fill the whole page like you're seeing now. So just reduce it a little bit. And then how do you want the corners to be? Do you want it to be so round or a just a little shaping? You understand? So it all depends on you. So that is how you add effects to your text and also to blur your images. So if you love this content, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like, so that other people will get to see this video from henceforth. Thank you for watching, and to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much.